Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to be showing you guys how to do this date night glitter look. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe down below and let's get right into the video. Okay, so first I'm going to be putting a tape from the corner of my eye to the end of my eyebrow. That's how you know you lined it up, right? Next I'm going to be taking these two colors and putting that in my crease, going a little higher than my crease, just making this a transition shade. The key to this is to build. You don't want to just start off with purple, you want to gradually build. So I'm moving the brush in windshield wiper motions just to make sure everything's blended out. Next I'm going to be taking this hot pink shade and putting that a little lower than the transition shade that I just applied. And I'm just blending everything out. Next I'm going to be applying this purple shade, and I'm just gradually building once again, making sure everything's just blended out. You want to be careful when applying too much product because you don't want it to be, super bold. You're just gradually building. Next I'm going to be taking this dark shade and putting that in my lower crease, still doing windshield wiper motions, but you really want to be careful when using the darker shades because it can get, a little messy and you will have fallout. That's why usually I'll start with the eye first because of the fallout. You don't want to start applying your foundation first, you want to start with your eyes. Now I'm going even darker with this black shade. I'm just going to be applying this a little lower from the dark purple that I just started applying. And I'm really making sure this is on the tape because this will give you a very defined line once you take it off. Here I'm taking my fluffy brush, making sure everything is just blended out. Next I'm going to be taking this NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm going to be applying this on my lid, just so that the glitter won't have any fallout because glitter can get a little messy. Next I'm going to be taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm taking this angle brush just because it'll create a very defined line. Don't mind me holding my eyelid down, I'm sorry. I'm just doing that because I really can't see where I'm positioned. But you really want to be careful when making this line because you want it to be very, very clean. You want this side to mimic the other side you've already completed. Next I'm taking this NYX Multitasker glue, and I'm applying this glue. And while you're applying, you want to make sure this dries for 30 seconds. Here's the fun part. I'm using this NYX glitter, and I'll be taking this Wet n Wild brush and just apply it. I find that this brush allows me to pick up more product than the smaller brushes, and it just allows me to get the job done faster. You really want to be careful when applying because glitter can get everywhere, and when I mean everywhere, I mean everywhere. And I'm just bringing my eyelid down because I can't see at the angle I'm at, and I'm really making sure that it's on the line that I created with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just making sure everything's nice and clean. Here I'm going in with the fluffy brush, taking the dark purple that I had in the beginning and blending it in with the glitter just to make it more in depth. Next I'm going to be taking this light pink shade and putting that in my tear ducts. I'm also going to be blending this out too. This just makes your eyes pop out more. Now it's time to take off the tape. Once you take it off, it'll just give you like a very crisp line. Now I did my eyelashes, eyeliner, and foundation off camera, but I will have videos showing you how to apply those. Now I'm going back in with the same purple shade and putting that under my lower lid, and this is just gonna make your eyes pop out even more. Now I'm taking this Rimmel mascara. I love this mascara. It's very good. Like, this is my favorite. And I'm just applying that to my lower lashes. Now I'm going to be taking my Ruby Kisses in the shade Brown Sugar. And I'm lining my lips with the lipstick. I usually use liner, but I guess I just like this color. Now I'm taking this pink shade. I don't remember the name of this lipstick, but I will have it in the description box below. And I'm just going to be mixing both of them in. Now I'm going back in with the lipstick, and I'm just lining my lips again. I like to make an ombre effect, just so, you know, my lips can look cute and pop in. And here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and also comment below what you want to see next in my future videos. I will read all of them, and thanks for watching.